Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change size of multiple image in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first go to the insert menu, select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select multiple picture from our file. Click and drag on our mouse to select the multiple image, click insert. Then zoom out the sheet. Now you can see here the multiple image. Now you want to resize the multiple image at once. Select this multiple image, press and hold the shift and select one by one, then resize this at once. Now we can see we resize multiple image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.